we eat many different foods like pulses, vegetables, rice, chapati. From the food we eat, we get all the constituents that the body needs to carry out its functions. These constituents are supplied to the different parts of the body by the blood. However, the food we eat cannot mix into the blood as it is. The food must first be changed into substances which can mix in the blood, in other words, into soluble substances. The process of transformation of the food into soluble substances and their absorption into the blood is called digestion of food. Let us study in detail about the alimentary canal. The digestion of food takes place in the alimentary canal. The mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the small and the large intestines are the parts of the alimentary canal. In some places, the alimentary canal is like a narrow pipe, while in some places it is enlarged like a bag. Each of these parts has a different name. For the food to be digested, certain actions take place at certain parts of the alimentary canal. Besides, some juices also mix with the food in certain places. These juices, which help in the digestion of food, are called digestive juices. The organs that make these digestive juices and the alimentary canal are some of the internal organs in our body. Now, we shall study about the process of digestion. The digestion of food begins as soon as it is put in the mouth. In the mouth, the teeth bite and grind the food. As a result, the food is broken up into very fine pieces. At the same time, saliva mixes with those fine pieces and a soft ball is formed. This ball is called a bolus. Saliva contains a digestive juice. The bolus is pushed into the esophagus by the tongue. From there, it is pushed into the stomach. The food that enters the stomach is churned well along with some digestive juices that mix with the food there, and a thin mixture is formed. This mixture is pushed slowly and little by little into the small intestine. Digestive juices that are produced in the liver and the pancreas enter the small intestine and mix with the food mixture there. At the same time, juices produced in the small intestine itself also mix with the food. As a result of the action of all these juices, the food mixture slowly changes into soluble substances. These soluble substances are absorbed into the blood in the blood vessels in the walls of the small intestine. The leftover portion of the mixture is pushed into the large intestine. The water in the food mixture and any remaining soluble substances are absorbed in the large intestine. The undigested waste portions of the food are expelled from the body through the anus in the form of feces.